Fort Worth, Texas is known for its steaks, its cows, and its cattle. We're here at a steakhouse tonight called the Saltgrass. Sean did some investigating and this claims to be one of the best steaks in Texas. So we're gonna try it out tonight and we're gonna let you know how we taste it and how we like it. So come on in, let's go try a steak. The Saltgrass restaurant here, we had to wait a little bit just to get a seat, but it is a Friday night and we're here at dinner time, like 6 o'clock, 6:30, and of course it would be, you know, dinner time and people are here for the same reason we are. But we're excited to see what the steaks are all about, and I'm glad that Sean decided to investigate and kind of treat me for tonight. So this is nice. We're out on a little date and we're gonna be ordering soon and you'll get to see what we're gonna try. This looks pretty good. I've never had quail before, but we ordered some quail wrapped in bacon. We're gonna give it a try.
Not bad. Have any of you ever had quail? If you have, make sure to leave it in the comments section below and tell me if you liked it. Seems pretty good right now. But this is just the appetizer. We're waiting for the big meal, a steak. Shana's having a bit of difficulty cutting the quail. We won't put that on camera.
And my dinner comes with a salad. So I got a salad to start, and it looks delicious, so I'm going to dig in.
And I got soup, potato soup. Good. Great soup. It's very hot. As hot as Shana. No, not that hot. Nothing's that hot.
5 minutes later.
I got the filet Oscar, the crab meat, and it's on top of fried asparagus. I might be in heaven. Thumbs up. Come to Saltgrass.
Let's try. Nice and rare, just like I like it. That's not my stomach. That's a steak. Very, very good. Then we'll have maybe a mushroom. Very good. This is very good steak.
2 hours later.
The Saltgrass Steakhouse was awesome. If you are in Fort Worth, come here and grab a steak. I have another half of it. I might eat for breakfast tomorrow morning. I don't know. It was amazing. The waitress, the staff, all of the employees were amazing. The food was incredible and everything came out, even though they were pretty crowded, everything came out time-wise perfect. You should come here and really try everything. They have seafood, they have chicken, they have all kinds of appetizers. We tried the quail. It was pretty tasty. I mean, wrapped in bacon, what doesn't taste good wrapped in bacon? I mean, come on. It tastes a little bit like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken. No, it really was. It was a great meal. Sean treated me and it was lovely. And what a great time. Come check it out.
Well, guys, we wrapped up our steak dinner, and like Shana said earlier, it was really, really good.
Yeah, if you guys get a chance, come to Fort Worth and check out the
Grass.
Grass.
Salt grass.
That's right.
And if you like what you saw, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another Kling Connection episode. You can find us on the web at
www.klingconnection.com.
We're also on Rumble, we're on Odyssey, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. We're all over the place. Follow us, go there, follow us, like our comments. Until next time, have fun storming the castle.
Bye, guys.